Teacher, good morning, class. Today, we're going to discuss geometry. Who can tell me what an angle is? Student 1, an angle is formed when two lines meet at a point. Student 2, it's the space between two intersecting lines. Teacher, great answers. Now, let's talk about types of angles. Can someone give me an example of an acute angle? Student 3, sure, an acute angle is less than 90 degrees, like the angle of a triangle. Teacher, excellent. Now, let's move on to obtuse angles. Can someone give me an example? Student 4, an obtuse angle is greater than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees, like the angle in a clock showing 2 o'clock. Teacher, well done. Let's not forget about right angles. Who can provide an example? Student 5, a right angle is exactly 90 degrees, like the corners of a square. Teacher, fantastic. Lastly, what about straight angles? Any volunteers? Student 6, a straight angle measures exactly 180 degrees, like a straight line. Teacher, perfect. You all have a great understanding of angles. Keep up the good work. Teacher, all right, let's move on to complementary and supplementary angles. Can someone explain the difference? Student 7, complementary angles are two angles that add up to 90 degrees, like 30 degrees and 60 degrees. Supplementary angles, on the other hand, add up to 180 degrees, such as 120 degrees and 60 degrees. Teacher, very well explained. Now, can anyone provide an example of vertical angles? Student 8, vertical angles are formed when two lines intersect. They are opposite to each other and have equal measures, like angles 1 and 3 in an X shape. Teacher, excellent. You've all grasped the concept of angles really well. Keep practicing, and you'll become geometry experts in no time. Teacher, all right, let's move on to polygons. Can someone give me examples of polygons? Student 9, sure. Triangles, rectangles, and pentagons are all examples of polygons. Teacher, great job. Now, let's talk about the properties of triangles. Who can tell me the sum of the interior angles in a triangle? Student 10, the sum of the interior angles in a triangle is always 180 degrees. Teacher, excellent. And what about the exterior angles of a triangle? Student 11, the exterior angles of a triangle add up to 360 degrees. Teacher, perfect. Now, let's explore the concept of congruent figures. Can anyone define congruence? Student 12, congruence means that two figures have the same shape and size. Teacher, wonderful. You all have a solid understanding of polygons and their properties. Keep up the great work.